Have you ever heard someone say, we spent 1 lakh rupees on ads and got nothing? Well, I don't immediately blame the ads because ads don't create business problem, they expose them. And that's what today's video is all about. In the last two videos, we covered the first two pillars of digital marketing. First, digital presence, can people find you? And then content and communication. Once they have found you, can they really understand and trust you? Now we arrive at the third and final pillar of digital marketing, the one which gets everyone excited, growth and performance. Because here is where businesses expect marketing to produce a measurable result. This is the most exciting part: running meta ads, launching Google ads, generating leads, scaling campaigns, watching dashboards, growing revenue. Honestly speaking, this is where most of the businesses want to begin. And that's the exact reason why most of them will end up disappointed. Because they're trying to accelerate even before they have created something worth accelerating. Growth and performance isn't all about ads. Ads is just one tool. This pillar is about creating predictable, measurable business growth. Questions like what is the cost of customer acquisition? Which campaign is generating the highest quality leads? Where are people dropping off? Which channel is actually generating revenue? Becomes relevant. This is where marketing stops being based on opinions and start being driven by data. Here's a pattern I see all the time. Sales are slowing down. First reaction, let's run ads. Nobody asks, is our offer compelling? Is our website clear? Are people trusting us? Are they able to understand what we do in first few seconds? Straight away ads. Because if these problems are not sorted out, I'm sorry, ads are not going to solve your problem. They're just going to send more people to a broken system. This is probably the biggest misconception of digital marketing. People treat ads like medicine. Ads don't solve business problem. They amplify whatever already exists. If your messaging is confusing, more people will get confused. If your website is slow, more people will leave. And if your offer is not compelling, more people will reject it. Ads will simply make sure those problems happen faster. This is the order I recommend businesses follow. Step 1. Build foundation. Have a website that inspires confidence. Make sure your positioning is clear. People should instantly understand what you do. Step 2. Build a communication. Create content that answers questions, build trust, educate your audience, and show proof. Help people understand why they should choose you. Finally, step 3. Scale. Only now bring in paid traffic. You can run ad campaigns, generate lead, optimize performance, because now you are sending in visitors into a system that has actually been designed to convert. Imagine two businesses. Both spend 50K on ads. The first business has a fast loading website, clear messaging, testimonials, a simple contact form, and a strong offer. On the other hand, the second business has slow loading pages, confusing copy, no testimonials, no reviews, and no clear call to action. Same advertising budget, but completely different outcome. And the difference isn't the ad, the difference is what happens after the click. Here's another mistake I see businesses make a lot. They celebrate attracting a lot of leads, but they never ask, were they qualified? Because 500 unqualified leads can be far more expensive than 50 highly qualified leads. Growth isn't about collecting contacts. It's about attracting the right people who are highly likely to be your customers. Running ads has never been easier. AI can do most of the heavy lifting. The technical barriers are getting lower every year, which means having access to some marketing tool is no longer a competitive advantage. Understanding your customer is. Businesses that understand their audience, message clearly, and build trust will always outperform those who simply believe in spending more money. Here's a sentence I would love you to remember from this video. Performance marketing isn't magic, it's an amplifier. Think of it as a microphone. If the singer has a beautiful voice, it will help more people listen to their voice. But if the singer is out of tune, increasing the volume will not improve the performance. It will just make the mistake louder. And ads work in the same way. Increasing the budget won't solve your business problem, they will just make them louder. That's why businesses don't always need performance marketing. Sometimes they need a strong business underneath their marketing. Because if your foundation is strong and your communication is clear and your customer experience is strong, performance marketing can become incredibly powerful. We have covered all the three pillars of digital marketing. Digital presence help people find you, content and communication help people understand and trust you, growth and performance help you scale what is already working. In the next video, we are going to put all the three together and look at digital marketing as a single ecosystem. Because the real power of digital marketing isn't in a single pillar, it is in how they work together. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Like, subscribe, share, comments below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.